Hey guys, how's it going? Go Explore Matt back here today for another video for you. And today I'm going to be talking about how you can make money while you travel. Here are my top 5 tips. Alright guys, let's get to the chase here. So the first way I recommend to make money online while you travel is start a YouTube channel. Which, hey, that's what I did. So you can start a YouTube channel, and once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize, which means you can make money from Google AdSense. So once you make money from Google AdSense, you'll start getting a monthly check. Now, AdSense doesn't only work on YouTube, it also works for blogs. So you can also start a travel blog or a blog on another interest that you have, implement AdSense into it, and eventually once you get more popular and more people viewing your pages, you'll earn AdSense money. The next recommended way to make money while you travel is affiliate marketing. For affiliate marketing works is you get a commission when someone gets a sale. For example, you can join Amazon's affiliate program and make money that way. You can post links on your blog or on your YouTube channel, and if people click on those links, you get a commission when they buy something. Even on Amazon, if you become affiliate and someone clicks on that link and buys something a couple of days later, you can get a commission just because they clicked on your link before, even if it's unrelated to the product that you're selling. You can also find products that you like and see if they have an affiliate program, get a code reference for that, and sell it on your blog or on your YouTube channel. And like I said, when people click on it, you get a commission. So affiliate marketing is good because it helps out the company, it helps the person find a good product that you like and support, and it helps you get a commission from those sales. The next way I recommend for making money online is e-commerce/dropshipping. So this is where you set up an online store using a platform like Shopify, and you find a supplier on AliExpress or from a different site where they can drop ship the product to the customer for you. So you hold no inventory, so you can do this from anywhere in the world. You find a supplier, someone orders the product, and that supplier sends the product to them, and you set the price, so you get the markup. So drop shipping is a good way to sell products online because you don't need any inventory and you can do it from anywhere in the world. So if you're interested in drop shipping, I'll leave some links in the comments below where you can see other drop shippers and how they do it, because they can probably explain it better than me. But I just want to get that concept out there that you can do drop shipping while you travel. The fourth way I recommend to make money while you're traveling is become a web designer. For this, you do need to learn code like HTML or WordPress, and you do got to learn how to sell because you'll be selling your websites to companies, so you got to do courses on marketing. But once you learn selling and marketing and code, you can implement those strategies and become a web designer and sell websites while you're traveling. I'll leave links below explaining that too. And my fifth and final way to earn money while you travel is to become a day trader. This, you also need to study trading too. You need to learn the stock market, how it all works, and you got to start trading slowly. You can't be doing too aggressively. So if you want to become a day trader, it is kind of risky, but it has a high reward too. So I'll leave some links down below on day trading too if you're interested in doing that while you travel to earn some more money. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for this one. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun making it. I hope these new ways I explained help you make money while you're traveling, because that's always good. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you back in the next one. Go Explore Matt, out.